This is the moment of truth. So there I was in beautiful Costa Rica, flying my drone, and I crashed it. Right now, this is where it's showing it is. Can't really see that. Essentially, it's down there. So now I have to go on a rescue mission into the jungle to find it. Wish me luck. All right, this looks like the smartest entrance point. And I'm in. I'm checking for snakes and spiders. Snakes and spiders. Put the bug spray on. Tell my mama I said I love her. I am making a bunch of commotion. I feel like an Avatar. Like when he's like walking through, he's lost. And then they're like, she's about to kill him with a bow and arrow. And she's like, you make noise like a baby. You know what I'm talking about.
Your fault. You're like a baby, making noise, don't know what to do.
Come on, spider clearance stick. Don't fail me now. All right, the ground looks clear. Don't have eyes on yet. Look at this little guy. He's like, bro, beat it. I'm like, bro, I'm sorry I'm in your space. I'm sorry. I feel like I need some like breadcrumbs or something so I can find my way back out. We're going deep in the jungle. Oh, I heard a funny noise. I feel like I'm all naked and afraid, except for I have a bunch of clothes. But I'm still afraid though, so I mean, that's part of it. Don't see the drone just yet. I do have a spider web in my eye though. That's probably, oh, look at this pretty little flower. On the rescue mission, we're seeing a bunch of beautiful things. Okay. That's a big spider. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Sorry. You will rebuild. Apparently the screen. Oh, I see it. I see it. Look. The down drone. This rescue mission. Oh no, look at the arm. Oh, now I'm down. This is the down drone we've been looking for. How are you, baby girl? I'm sorry. I'm sorry about what happened to you out there. Now let's see how good DJI is. You're all scuffed up. Sensor looks fine though. See here? Alright, I'm gonna try to put this. This is the moment of truth. There's my baby. Here's the final rescue mission. The battery's about to die. Gotta bring her home. From the depths of the jungle. She's back.